Welcome to our guide on setting up a crypto wallet in 2025. Security is paramount in the evolving crypto landscape, and today, we'll explore essential practices to protect your assets. There are two main types of crypto wallets: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline. Each has its pros and cons. When selecting a wallet, look for features such as strong encryption, user-friendly interface, and regular updates from the developers. Implementing two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Always enable 2FA on your crypto wallet. Always back up your wallet information. Use secure storage options to ensure you can recover your assets if needed. Create strong passwords by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy-to-guess information. Regularly update your wallet software to protect against vulnerabilities. Keeping your software current is crucial. Be cautious of phishing attacks. Always verify links and emails, ensuring they come from legitimate sources. Consider using a hardware wallet for added security, especially if you're holding large amounts of cryptocurrency. By following these guidelines, you can create a secure crypto future for yourself. Stay safe and informed.